Hello friends, how are you? Wants to hear some amazing fact? Here we have some about Bali. Do you guys know Bali is an actively volcanic place? And do you guys know that the airport will be shut one day a year? Do you guys know a thing about Bali is? Bali is in a coronal triangle. And do you guys know that Bali has one of the highest density of snaps in the world? In this video you guys are going to know about the 15 interesting fact about Bali. But before that, subscribe to my channel and like and share my videos. Without any delay, let's start the discussion. Bali, Island of God, the Dulik Indonesian destination is famous with Western travelers, but few who visit really knows its culture, history and people. To give you a great understanding of Bali, we have put together a list of 15 fun and interesting facts about Bali, gathered from our experts on the grounds and through years of experience planning tourists in these beautiful destinations. We tell you where to find near destination beaches, what should never do in the temple and what should be tasted to the contemporary culture. Fact number one, Bali is actually three islands. Well, Bali is indeed an island. It is also a province that comprises a handful of smaller islands congregated of Bali Island southern coastal. Nusa Peninsula, Nusa Lombok and Nusa Kringling are from of the Bali Island. 20 to 30-minute boat ride from Senor. Fact number 2, ice is the government regulated. No need to order all your drinks net. The ice is Bali is quality controlled by the local government. The tap water is not actually belly friendly, unfortunately, so make you sure you stay hydrated with water bottle. If you have a refill bottle, visit one of the participants' business of Refill Bali for the cheap or even free refine and feel good about limiting your plastic waste. Fact number 3, you should leave food on your plate. We are not suggesting you should leave any part of your fresh seafood patterns with the dining in the restaurant, but if you are invited in a local family home, the itugi is different. You might find yourself sitting on the floor and eating with your hands, in which case use your right hand only, and when you have had enough, you should have a little bit of the food on your plate to signify you are done. Fact number 4, Bali is actively volcanic. Mountains Ergrus and Britos are the two towering peaks of Bali, and these dinosaurs are far from dormant. Gongsa Angju is rarely known. The last erupted in 1963, killing around 1500 people and still make its presence felt with the occasional gas blaze. And Basser's meanwhile lasted erupted in 2000, shooting ash in the air but harming no one. Fact number 5, the airport will be shut one day a year. Nepu, a Hindu celebration observed mainly in Bali, since the entire island feels silent with business closings and even the airport shuts off shops. This day of silence is seen as an opportunity for reflections and its observation is enforced by the peak land. Local security officer, beaches and streets are closed to all, including tourists. Fact number 6, Bali is a coronal triangle. The coronal triangle, in fact, sitting right in the middle of the world's richest water from coronals, consider the Amazon of the sea for its marine biodiversity. Not just 600 odd species of coronal, but totals more than 2000 species of fishes, including tuna, and a major food sources for millions of local communities. Fact number 7, Bali has one of the highest density of snaps in the world. You do not have to go far from a massive in the Bali. The island has around 1200 snap. Traditionally, Bali's message is of course a must. Characteristics by long, not too free strokes, force on pressure point. It influences by the Chinese and Indian tradition. The level of preparing is up to you. You can have a message on the bleach or less than US $10 or OPT for the 5-star treatment in the luxury suites. Fact number 8. Malcon spirits are not welcome. Spirits are everywhere in the valley, and there are married practices to keep evils ones at bay. These on screens behind the computer gateways calls a aliens intended to keep them out. There are daily offerings of incense and foods wrapped in the banana leaves to appeal them. There are noisy processions and scary stones carving on walls of frighting them off. Don't forget to hook your horn if you drive past a cemetery, as this will also scare the spirit away. Fact number 9. Boy's finals resting place. The late David Boyce requested in his will have to his ass scattered in the balis in the Buddhist rituals. There were some press reported that his family had fulfilled these wishes in the close ceremony. Though these are unconfirmed, the singer had a long-standing love from Indonesia and even releases a song in 1984 with Lik Pop Tumar and Tura mentioning their journeys across the country. Fact number 10. Triton Impulse is a must. Not all popular tourist attractions are worth the crowd, but Triton Impulse's water temple is a clear exception. This is where locals and some out of the town's privileged comes to undergo a length purification rituals and involves bathing in the freshwater spring from a series of 30 water spouts. The temple was founded in 1962 AD and is dedicated to Vishu. Make sure you include in your Bali adventure. Fact number 11. Baby grilling is also a must. If you are somewhat of a carnivorous, Bali's famous sucking pigs is considered a must-try local dish. Roasted for hours over an open fire, the meat is flavored with the besa bread and a spicy paste rubbed with the turmeric and blasted with the coconut water. You can find it practically anywhere though be aware the locals, moms and pops, strategies and street vendors use plenty of chilies. Try a food tour of Bali to sample the best Habibi gulli. Fact number 12. A rice field isn't just a rice field. Those ironic mountain races trees are more than just a photo opportunity. They respect centuries of social and spiritual cultures having been developed in the 9th century. Apart from the irrigation system, the samples water from underground sources through the water temples via a system of canals. Fact number 13. Monkeys have no manners. You do not need to go to the monkey's forest to have your phone stolen by the makers. It could happen anywhere. You can see these cheesy cheaters. Fact number 14. UB is the vegan heaven. This Perkisuken's Bohemian town in the central Bali is your wilderness destination on the Iceland. Fact number 15. You have to get up early if you want to see the dolphins. Fact: dolphins do not sleep in. If you want to see the famed dolphins of Lovina, you will be getting up before dawn. At most, tours are timed to catch them in the morning when the seas are calm. The upsides of this is that even if the dolphins are shy, you get to enjoy a spectacular sunrise from your boat. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and share my channels. That's it for now. Thank you.